is Gurnain Singh. And Gurnain has been working with NetScout Systems for the past 4 years. He was a part of the blogging community and enjoyed reading and writing those articles that get you think. He hopes to reignite his blogging passion again someday, and he's going to talk about blogging.
Hello everyone, this is Gurnain, and I used to write blogs. I used to write blogs about some corporate professional projects. I used to write about sometimes just blogging for fun, just tickling the notepad with my pen, just for the sake of it, so that people like it. Let's go with the terminology. Blog is just a written article that actually expresses the ideas and the vision of the writer. And there are ways to interact with the readers using the likes and comments field, where the reader can also tell you that what's going on, is he liking your blog or not, because blog is a dialogue. It's like a learning community. It's not just like a website where you basically have just one-way communication and it's like a teacher-student relation. It's not like that. Let's have a look at the layout of the blog. On the top there, it's obviously the title and the main content. On the right hand side, it basically represents more direct links that the blogger wants you to go to. And if I talk about how to develop those blogs, there are various freeware blogger platforms available: blogger.com, wordpress.com. There are a few licensed versions as well. There are no such 10 commandments of a successful blog. It's all about finding what readers want to know about, developing the communication, developing a way that readers likes to come to your blog and read it. If I talk about newspaper blogging, when you talk about blogging, it's all about writing, and writing is often very much synonymous to journalism. So BBC.com, CNN.com, all these people are actually reporting facts, and hence the name newspaper blogging. Signpost blogging. There are some posts where people just go to find the suggestions from the blogger. Where do I go to this summer, and which kind of property I should invest in. So this is the thing about signpost blogger. And pub blogging is something that to create an environment so that everyone can have a good time, people can share ideas more freely than just having a corporate environment. So blogs can actually benefit your business. If you talk about your products, your services, your interaction with the customers, using the blog theory, you can actually reach out to much more wider audience and actually gain the comments and the feedbacks and responses from your customers. If I talk about the B2B, business to business marketing, social media and blogs form 74% and 65% of the tricks for the marketing used by the business people these days. Business is changing, and hence the marketing for business. People use search engine optimization. Basically the key here is to find a target audience, find what kind of things they enter when they actually Google the stuff, and actually use those codes in your blogs, and this way you'll be able to find that the traffic to your blog will increase. And basically the thing is how often you actually post on your blogs, how much you are involved, how much you are interested. If you are posting it frequently and consistently, your blog will definitely be much more successful, much more popular. So one more thing here is the key to a successful blog is to appreciate the comments from the users, because if the users or the readers are actually commenting, it will make the blogs much more better, and hence you can actually generate revenue out of your blogs. People will approach you to publish their products and their services on your web page, and hence you'll get paid for it. There are pay-per-click things, or they want you to just include their product name in their website and hence benefit out of it. Blogs and corporate communication. Basically, in a corporate organization, blogs can play a very vital role. You can actually personify the communication between the employees using the knowledge blogs for the information transfer, knowledge for the internal communication, or forming the public relations using campaigning blogs, or setting agendas using CEO blogs, or the things about the thought blogs as well. So basically this is a very good thing, but there are some negative characters in the society that use this blogging thing as a as a negative negative approach, and people actually find that thing not cool. But overall, blogging is a very cool thing. It can make a world much better place and communication very easy. It can basically, it's all about talking to people and sharing your knowledge. And so I request you to keep blogging, keep writing, and keep reading, and have a good life, and happy Diwali.